Welcome students to your new science class, and today we are going to discuss about chapter number 4. So on my offline YouTube classes I have already discussed on chapter number 4 in 3 parts. First was discussed about the types of season, their fruits. Then after we were discussed in second part regarding the types of clothes we wear in 3 seasons, and the third part was practice time. So first of all you will tell me that how many of you have gone through those YouTube videos, all the 3 parts. Come on, let me see how many of you have gone through. Still it is not 11:30. We have to wait for 2 minutes. Come on, all of you. Today teacher is waiting for all of you. Come on. Every day you wait for me. Today I am waiting for you. Yes ma'am, Nandini has given already the answer. Yes. Oh. What they are asking? কি বলছে? Okay, so just let me make it clear. I am talking about the YouTube videos which has been uploaded from last, it is being uploaded from last 4 months. Okay, so I am talking about those videos which are related with chapter number 4, which has been made in 3 parts. So please go on the e-portal, search for those videos in the library. According to the chapter it has been updated, so you will find over there. Okay, there is nothing to give any information, it is already over there, you have to find it out. Okay, okay. Yes, Nandini has given the response that she has gone through all the videos. And Shambrik Rai Chaudhary, I have not asked for any questions or any answers. Please let all your friends join the class, then after we will start it. Okay. Okay. So today we are going to discuss about this chapter, and I am going to make you learn 5 fill in the blanks related to this chapter. First, I am giving you 5 minutes time. Get ready with your copies and pencils, and I want each and every student to write down these fill in the blanks. And I would request parents, please don't write on behalf of your wards, let them write, let them do their classwork. If they were present at school, they would have done their classwork on their own. So please let them do their classwork. Come on, get ready, and I want each and everyone, each of the students to show me their notebooks on the screen. Okay, so let's see how many of you are getting ready. Nandini, get ready with your copy. Very good, Nandini. Nandini has already shown her copy is ready. Very good, Nandini. Ankita, where is your copy and pencil? Ankita's copy and pencil. Show me Ankita. Ankita is showing something. Yes, very good, Ankita. And over there one more student is showing me some. Yes, Ayan Mukherjee. Shushoban is already sitting with his copy. Excellent, very obedient students. Okay, Orgho, where is your copy, beta? Please show me your copy. Yes. Orgho, please show me your copy. You can do your work, please. Yes. Argo, please sit properly, and Ayushman is ready. My serious Ayushman is very much ready with his copy and book, pencil, everything. He's not even looking at me. Okay, so Argo has started. So the first one, we wear dash to protect and cover our body. So please write down this fill in the blank first. No one will answer in the chat box now. Today we are going to finish our classwork first, then after we are going to answer in the chat box, okay? So the first one, we wear dash to protect and cover our body. I will be giving some time to write, then after I will ask for the answer, okay? Come on. Let's start. Now, open your chat box and write down the first answer. We wear dash to protect and cover our body. Nandini is the first one, Shomrik second one, Argo third one, and Shattuki and Arush is writing. Arush, I want to see your copy, beta. Please show me on the screen after unmuting your camera, okay? Okay, clothes, Shattuki, very good. So, here comes the first answer, clothes. We wear clothes to protect and cover our body. We wear clothes to protect and cover our body. Next comes number 2. It is hot in dash season. It is hot in dash season. So, first of all, you will write the sentence. Number 2, it is hot in dash season. Please show me the screen. Please, not now. I will take your answer after you will complete it in your copy. So let me see how many students are writing. Ayushman, I am not getting your image, beta. Please come on the screen, open your camera, put on the camera. Shugato, put on the camera. Shattuki, yes, very good Shattuki. Jasim Ali Dafadar, take your copy and pencil and start writing. Shomrik is writing. Very good, Shomrik. Ankita is writing. Ankita, you have completed, beta. Shushobhan. Yes, Ayushman is writing. I saw Ayushman. Yes. Okay. So, the second answer, it is hot in dash season. Come on, now write down your answers in the chat box. Let us see how many of you can give the answer first. Dash is hot in dash, it is hot in dash season. Yes, Nandini, Shomrik, Argo, yes, Shattuki, Shishobhan. Very good, all, Jasim, Arush, very good, all have given the correct answer, that is summer. That is summer. Arush, take your copy and pencil and write down the fill in the blanks as classwork. Classwork is going on. So please write down the fill in the blanks in any of the copy which is available at your home just now, which you are using for your assignments. And Arush, come on, submit your assignments on e-portal. Come on. It is cold in dash season. Number 3, it is cold in dash season. Write down. Shatoki, write down. Shatoki will write on his own. Orgho, very good. Let's see. Come on, my God. Shushobhan. Yes, but I cannot see your copy and pencil. Come on the screen. Let me visible. Shamrik, please sit properly, beta. Shamrik, please sit properly. Yes, very good boy. Very good. And Inakshi is writing. Very good, Inakshi. Beta, sit straight. Inakshi, please sit straight, beta. Okay, yes, very good girl, very good. Okay, next. So I hope all of you have written the question. It is cold in dash season. It is cold in dash season, and let us see the answer. It is cold in dash season. Who is the first one to give the answer? Yes, this time Jasim, Orgho, Nandini, Shomri, Shatuki, Ayan, Ankita, Arush. Yes, very good. And Arush is the first one who gave the answer as soon as I asked the question. After writing the copy work. Very good, Ayush. I want all of you to write your copy work first and then after give the answer. Okay? Very good. Come on. So, it's winter. It is winter. Next comes, we celebrate Christmas during dash season. We celebrate Christmas during dash season. So, Arush is the first one, but Arush, did you complete your copy work? First write down in your copy. Shatuki has still continued. Very good, excellent Shatuki. Come on, write down beta. Keep it up, keep it up. Very obedient boy. Come on, Inakshi also, very obedient girl. Very good beta. Come on, write down. Come on. And rest of the students, can I see them on the screen? Yes, Shomrik has completed. Very good. Shomrik, very nice. Nandini is carrying on. Keep it up, Nandini. Very good, Nandini. Okay. So, our next number 4, we celebrate Christmas during dash season. That is very good. Nandini has given the answer. I saw. Orijit, please write down your task in the copy. Orijit, get ready with your copy and pencil and write it down. Very good, Orijit. It's extremely good. Very obedient boy. Very good. Excellent. Very good. So, here comes winter. So, here comes winter season. Orijit has done very nice work. Good handwriting, Orijit. Okay. Very good. So, we celebrate Christmas during winter season. Next comes dash is a winter fruit. So, let us discuss about winter fruit. Orgho, where are you beta? Okay, dash is a winter fruit. Yes, Orgho has given the answer, but I cannot see Orgho on the screen. Orgho was writing. Come on. Yes, Shomrik has given the answer. Yes, so orange is a winter fruit. Orange is a winter fruit. Arush, Ankita, Shomrik, Jasim, Shatuki. Very good. All are giving the correct answers. Ayan, Nandini is typing. Yes, very good. So, each and every student have given the correct answer. This was today's classwork which you have noted down in your copy. Now we are going to continue with one activity work. So, what is this activity work? Let us go for that activity work. You will draw this one in your copy and you will write down whatever I am writing on the board. Okay. So, let us see. I hope each and every student has completed this one. If not, you can take a screenshot also. Okay. You can take a screenshot of this part and then after whatever the remaining part is there, you can complete that one when it will be uploaded on the YouTube. Okay. So, let us go for the next one, and that is activity work. Now comes, I am going to draw something on the board. So, here comes the sun when it is very angry and it is shining brightly. Can you tell me which season is this? Can you tell me which season is this? So, let us see who is the first one to answer. Nandini is the first one to answer. Okay. Then comes Shomrik, Argo, beta. When we are sweating too much, when we feel irritating, when we are loving to be under the fan or in AC, which is that season? Now it's better. I have given lots of clues. Okay? Yes, very good. So, now Argo has given the correct answer. Yes, very good. So, now it's summer season. This season is known as summer season. Now, can anyone tell me what type of clothes do we wear in summer season? What type of clothes do we wear in summer season? Yes, Jasim has given the first answer, and Shomrik, t-shirt. Yes, t-shirt is the wear which we are wearing during the summer season, but the overall what type of fabric we are using in summer season, and that is, yes, Nandini, frock is also right, but usually we say the fabric which we are using during summer season is cotton. Okay, we wear cotton clothes. We wear cotton clothes. Okay. Now, can anyone tell me which type of food do we prefer during summer season? Which type of food do we prefer in summer season? Yes, let me see. Yes, I am getting the name of some fruits. Yes, very good. All of you are correct. And yes, grapes are also there, and then after juice, what was that? Ice cream. Okay, Nandini loves to have ice cream. That is also, juice is also, Shatuki has given juice. Yes, so these are the things which we prefer to have in a cold manner, right? So we love to have cold things in summer and cold drinks, and fruits are mango and anything more, that is watermelon. Watermelon. Okay, so these are the fruits we are Eating in summer season. Yes, very good. Now let's go for the next picture. I hope all of you are noting down in your copies. Next comes now, which season is this? Which season is this? So Nandini has given the response, yes ma'am, I have copied down in my copy. Very good. And I got the first answer, that is from first answer from first answer, yes, that is from Shomrik Rai Chaudhary. Shomrik Rai Chaudhary has given the answer monsoon. Shatuki, rainy. Randini, rainy. Arghav, yes. Ankita, Shishobhan, very good. So yes, it is rainy season, and rainy season is also known as monsoon. Okay, we also consider as monsoon, rainy season. So it's rainy season. Next comes, what type of clothes do we wear during this season? What type of clothes do we wear? What type of clothes do we wear? Come on, let's see who is the first one to answer. And during rainy season, Nandini is the first one, waterproof clothes. Next comes, yes, raincoat is a part of waterproof cloth. Water resistant clothes, Argho has given. Argho, please use those words which you know to spell out. Okay, we will use those words in KG according to the class we will go. You will use those words which you know to spell out and write. Okay, beta? And those are in your books. Okay, okay. So water resistant clothes, exactly it is a correct answer, but I have taught you in your YouTube videos, it's waterproof clothes, right? Yes, very good. So let's go for the chat box and let's see. Yes, so waterproof clothes, and umbrella, Ankita has given umbrella, it's also a part of rainy season. Okay, so we carry umbrellas. So waterproof clothes we wear during rainy season. Now next comes is, what type of food do we prefer in rainy season? Okay, what type of food is preferable in rainy season? So what type of food do you like to eat in rainy season? When it is raining outside, it is raining cats and dogs outside, then what type of menu you love to prefer in your lunch and dinner? Come on, let's see. Who is the one? Shomrik, please rectify your answer. Your spelling for jackfruit is wrong, beta. Shushoban has given a name of a fruit, that is pineapple. Very good, Shushoban. Next comes Orgho, pineapple. Jasim, hot food. Yes, Jasim, hot food. Shatuki has given pakoras. Okay, you love to have snacks. Okay, and Trishita has given pineapple. Nandini, pineapple and jackfruit. Jackfruit, usually it is a summer fruit, beta. Okay, in monsoon it's pineapple, guava, grapes. It is available. Jackfruit, usually it is considered as summer fruit. Okay, along with mango. Okay, very good. So yes, guava I received from Shomrik. Okay, Nandini has given the response. Okay, ma'am, very good, beta. Okay, so we love to, and someone who loves to have something very delicious during the rainy day in their lunch or dinner. Anyone? In my last class I got some very interesting answers. Yes, who is that? I got one answer. Yes, Trishita has given khichdi. Yes, Trishita, you are absolutely correct. It's also loved by me. And along with khichdi, what? Only khichdi? Yes, very nice. So it is dim bhaja. Okay, that means egg omelette, right? So khichdi and egg omelette, Nandini loves to have it. Yes, Ilsha, very nice. So I am getting some favorite dishes of my students. Begun bhaja, potato curry. Okay, Orgho also loves khichdi. Okay. So, khichdi and egg omelette, yes, Shishobhan has given, so very nice. Okay, potul bhaja, okay, Jasim, you love to have vegetables, it's a very nice thing. Usually kids doesn't love to have vegetables, very good Jasim. So, I got lots of favorite dishes of my students. Oh, very nice Nandini. Very good. So, okay, let's stop over here, otherwise our chat box will be full of menu box. It will convert into menu box, okay. So, food like pineapple and obviously delicious snacks and your favorite menus during the rainy season. But during the rainy season we also have to take care of our food, because this is the season when we can have little bit digestion problem, right. So, along with the water we have to take appropriate amount of food, because we are having little bit snacks which are fried things, and obviously this khichdi is a type of thing which is mixed and merged of everything. So, we have to even take it in a small quantity so that we can digest it properly. So, overall monsoon is a season which needs to be taken care for digestion properly of our health. So, next comes, let us go for the next one, and that is okay. So, let us see how many of my students can identify which season is this. And yes, we started getting answers, and let us see who is the first one to answer. And the first one to answer is they are very eager. First one to answer is Nandini, Orgho, Trishita. Very good. So, Arush also. Arush, very good. Arush has given the answer. Trishita has given the answer. Shomrik has given the answer. Jasim has given. Shishobhan. Anushka. Anushka. You are a new one to join, beta. New admission. Anushka. Anushka Pandit. Okay, welcome, beta. Welcome to your online classes. This is the first time I am going through your name. So, you are most welcome. Okay. I hope you are enjoying your class. Next, yes, okay. It's my pleasure, beta. Thank you. And Shatuki has given the correct answer. So, let's see, it's winter season. So, here comes, it's winter season. Winter season. Okay. Now, let us see what type of clothes do we wear in this season. So, can anyone answer me what type of clothes do we wear? I know each and every student of mine can answer it. So, let's see. Shomrik has already given answer. Okay. So, yes, Arush has also given answer, and okay, Trishita has given answer. Okay. You cannot see. Better Anushka, please disconnect the call and join me again. Okay. You just disconnect the call and join us again. I hope your problem will be solved. Maybe there will be any net problem from your side. Internet problem from your side. Okay. Orgo has given woolen clothes. Yes. So we wear woolen clothes. Very good. All the answers are correct. So the clothes which we wear during the winter season are woolen clothes. Next comes, what type of food do we prefer to have? What type of food do we prefer to have during this season? And first of all, let us talk about the, yes, drink. What type of drink do you like to have in winter? Yes, hot milk. Yes. So, yes, Jasim has given the answer apple, Trishita orange. Okay, very good. Many of the students have given the answer orange. Anushka also. Now Anushka, I hope your problem has been solved. Right Anushka? Okay. So now you are most welcome. Okay, Inakshi has given the answer and Shomrik has given answer tea. Shomrik, you are drinking tea? No? Okay. So, let's go for the next one. Shomrik, don't drink excess tea, okay beta, because you are quite younger now. So, hot soup, yes, hot soup. So, overall Arush has given hot soup. Very good Arush. And now we can see that we love to have hot drinks, right? Overall, the answer given to us, we love to drink hot drinks. And the fruits which we get are preferable, that are orange, apple. During the winter season, these are also called winter fruits, oranges and apples. Okay. So, students, this was the part which has to be discussed today, and please go through the offline videos of chapter number 4, which has been divided in 3 parts. Already in the starting of the class I have told you. If you will go through that part, it will be very clear to do this class, and this class will be fruitful for you. Okay. So, I hope all of you, still those who have not joined ePortal, you will join your ePortal. And Anushka, please collect your student ID and password from school and join the ePortal beta. And there are lots of assignments are there. I hope if today only you collected, you will be able to submit your assignments. You will get your assignments, otherwise new assignments will be uploaded. You just complete them and submit them. And for all the students also, please take care of yourself, be happy and be attentive, and carry on with your studies also. Okay, bye bye. Bye bye.